Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Meow Easy English, where learning English is always simple and enjoyable. I'm Sophia.
Hi, Sophia. Hi, everyone. It's wonderful to be here again. How are you doing, Sophia?
I'm feeling great, David, but I have to admit I'm a little hungry.
Hungry, huh? Well, that's actually perfect for what we'll talk about today.
Exactly. Our topic today is food, one of my favorites.
Same here. We'll chat about breakfast, lunch, dinner, and the foods we love most. It's going to be fun.
All right, since I'm hungry, let's kick off with the first meal of the day, breakfast.
Great idea. Breakfast is such an important meal. So, Sophia, what do you usually eat in the morning?
For breakfast, I like to keep it simple, bread with cheese.
Bread and cheese. Nice. Do you usually drink something with that?
Of course, I always have coffee. Strong black coffee, no sugar.
Wow, that's strong. I like coffee too, but I prefer it with milk and just a little sugar.
I need that strong coffee kick in the morning. What about you, David? What's your go-to breakfast?
I usually eat eggs, scrambled eggs with some toast.
Oh, eggs are such a healthy choice. Do you drink juice as well?
Yes, I love fresh orange juice. It's the best.
I agree. Orange juice is always delicious. Sometimes on weekends, I go for a big breakfast.
A big weekend breakfast? What do you usually have?
Pancakes with fruit like bananas or strawberries.
Oh, pancakes. That sounds amazing. I like pancakes too, especially with a bit of honey.
Yes, honey goes perfectly with pancakes. So my usual breakfast is bread, cheese, and coffee, while yours is eggs, toast, and orange juice.
Exactly. And sometimes, if I'm in a rush, I just grab a banana or an apple.
A quick fruit snack is a smart choice. Very healthy.
Totally. All right. A few hours later comes lunch.
Right, lunch, the midday meal. Are you a big lunch eater, David?
Yes, I am. Around 1 p.m., I get really hungry. Lunch is my biggest meal.
Same here. For many people, lunch is the main meal of the day. So, what's a typical lunch for you?
I love rice and beans. Such a classic.
Rice and beans are great. Do you usually eat them with something else?
Yes, usually grilled chicken and a big salad.
A salad, nice. What do you put in it?
Just the basics: lettuce, tomato, and cucumber with a touch of olive oil.
That sounds both healthy and delicious. A perfect lunch.
Thanks. How about you, Sophia?
I also enjoy chicken, but sometimes I go for grilled fish with lemon.
Fish is an excellent choice. Very healthy.
And I love vegetables. Carrots, broccoli, lots of them.
Me too. Vegetables are full of vitamins.
My mom always told me, eat your veggies.
Mine too. Good advice indeed.
So for lunch, we've got chicken or fish, rice and beans, plus plenty of veggies.
That's right. A very balanced meal. Enough energy to get through the afternoon.
Now, moving on to the evening, it's dinner time.
Dinner. Do you usually eat a big dinner, Sophia?
Not really. My dinner is smaller and lighter than lunch.
That's a smart habit. What do you usually eat?
Often, I have vegetable soup. It's warm and cozy at night.
Soup is always a wonderful dinner, especially in cooler weather. What veggies do you use?
Carrots, potatoes, celery, lots of variety. It's very simple to cook.
That sounds tasty. I also like soup. Tomato soup is my favorite.
Tomato soup with a slice of bread? Perfect.
Exactly. Sometimes I eat pasta for dinner too.
Ah, yes, pasta. Everyone loves pasta. Which kind is your favorite?
I like spaghetti with tomato sauce. A simple, classic dish.
You can't go wrong with spaghetti. Do you put cheese on top?
Of course! Lots of cheese. It makes it so much better.
Absolutely. Cheese makes everything tastier.
And on Fridays, after a long week, I usually order pizza.
Pizza night. Love that. What toppings do you like?
I usually go for a classic margarita, just cheese and tomato.
A great choice. I prefer pepperoni on mine.
Pepperoni is very popular. Pizza is perfect for sharing with friends.
Yes, it's a fun food.
So we've covered breakfast, lunch, dinner, and what about snacks in between?
Ah, snacks. Yes, I eat them sometimes. I usually pick healthy ones like fruit or yogurt.
Both are great options. What about me? Well, I also like fruit, like bananas, but sometimes I crave something sweet.
Same here. What do you usually eat?
Sometimes a cookie.
Oh, cookies. Chocolate chip cookies are the best.
Yes, but just one or two. It's a small treat. Balance is important.
Exactly. Healthy food most of the time and a little treat occasionally.
Speaking of healthy food, what's your favorite fruit?
I adore strawberries. And in summer, watermelon is perfect.
Watermelon is so refreshing. I really enjoy mango. It's sweet and tropical.
Mango is wonderful. And for veggies, I love broccoli.
Many people dislike broccoli, but I enjoy it too. I also love carrots.
Carrots are crunchy and good for your eyes.
That's what they say. Now, let's talk drinks.
Drinks are essential with meals. We mentioned coffee and juice for breakfast. During the day, I drink mostly water.
Water is number one. I always carry a bottle with me.
Same here. And sometimes I drink tea, green tea in the afternoon.
Tea is lovely. I like chamomile tea at night. It's relaxing.
What about soda?
I drink soda once in a while, maybe with pizza, but not every day. It has too much sugar.
Right, soda is more of a treat. Water is better daily.
Now, here's a tough question. What's your absolute favorite food?
Oh, that's hard. So many choices. But I'd say my mom's lasagna.
That's sweet. Nothing beats homemade food.
It's delicious. What about you, David?
My favorite? I'd go with sushi.
Sushi, nice choice. I love the freshness of it too.
Yes, light and healthy.
Everyone has different tastes. That's what makes food fun.
True. Hey, let's do a quick role play. Imagine we're at a restaurant. I'm the customer, and you're the waiter.
Perfect. Let's start.
Hello, welcome. A table for one?
Yes, for one, please.
Right. This way, please. Here's your menu.
Thank you. Everything looks great. Can I start with some water?
Of course. Are you ready to order food?
Yes, I'd like grilled chicken with vegetables, please.
Excellent choice. It's very popular. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thanks.
Great. Your food will be out soon. Enjoy.
Wow, David, you make a great waiter.
Thanks. That was fun. And see, ordering food can be very simple.
Exactly. You can say, I would like, or can I have? And don't forget, please.
Yes, politeness is important. And if you're not ready, you can say, I need a moment.
That's right. Ordering food in English doesn't have to be scary.
A smile always helps.
Very true. Talking about food has made me hungry again.
Me too! We've covered so much. Meals, snacks, drinks, favorite foods, and even a restaurant role play.
Yes, food is such a fun topic. It's something everyone enjoys.
And a great way to start conversations. Just ask, what's your favorite food?
Perfect for making new friends and practicing English.
Exactly. Well, our time is nearly up.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
Don't forget to subscribe to Meow Easy English so you won't miss the next episode.
And please leave a comment telling us about your favorite food.
Yes, we'd love to read your answers. That's all for today. Until next time, keep practicing and enjoy learning English.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. See you soon.